The AutoCAD team and I are proud to present the latest version of AutoCAD, the world's leading design and drafting software. Improved performance, better ease of use, more powerful tools, as well as support for multiple platforms and devices will help simplify, connect, and personalize your AutoCAD experience. One of the first things that you're going to notice is the new Autodesk desktop app. It manages your software updates and connects you to learning videos and skill building tips. Get the most out of the latest version of AutoCAD with the new desktop app. Drawing in AutoCAD is more precise. We continue to improve both the performance and stability of our 2D and 3D graphics. You'll notice that throughout your entire workflow, graphic appearance has been improved with lines, arcs, and circles now looking crisp not only when you're drawing, but also when you're panning and zooming. 3D graphic stability has also been greatly improved. We have once again streamlined your AutoCAD workflow. Creating and editing center lines and center marks just got easier. Now you can quickly create center lines and center marks from existing objects. When you move the associated objects, the center lines and center marks move and update too. PDFs are an essential file format for communicating your designs with others, but sometimes all you have is the PDF file. You've asked for the ability to import and convert these PDFs into AutoCAD geometry so that you can incorporate them into your designs. This is the first release to let you do that. Intelligently bring in text and geometry from your PDFs and use them like any other AutoCAD object. Being able to customize AutoCAD is one of the things you love about it. Personalization allows AutoCAD to work with you through custom commands, icons, and so much more. Migrating these custom settings and files from previous versions has never been easier. We've redesigned the migration interface to give you a quick and comprehensive look at everything you've customized and that we can migrate for you. Connecting and collaborating with other people on projects is essential to your final design. This release improves your ability to do just that and take your designs anywhere. With the new Share Design views, you can easily publish your documents to the cloud for viewing across multiple devices and platforms. You can create views and layers that can be used to show collaborators key aspects of your drawing. They don't need AutoCAD to do it, just a web browser. AutoCAD 360 Pro, the official AutoCAD mobile app, is now included when you subscribe to AutoCAD. 360 Pro lets you take the power of the newest AutoCAD wherever you go, so you can draft, edit, or review from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop anytime or anywhere. Enhanced Coordination Model functionality allows you to snap to precise locations on an attached Navisworks or BIM 360 model using the standard endpoint and center object snaps, connecting you directly to other people's models right inside AutoCAD. 3D printing is becoming a way for you to quickly prototype a design or to even manufacture small batch run parts. Using Autodesk's Print Studio, you can now prepare your model for printing, connect to almost any 3D printer on the market, and physically create your design. This latest version of AutoCAD is the best yet, and you'll find its new and enhanced features tremendously useful for all your design work.